Wing doesn't want me to go fishing. Get up, Wing. Get up, I gotta go fishing. Oh, no. No, I gotta go fishing. I gotta go fishing, okay? I know it's early. Come on. Get up. Oh, that's not right. That's not right. Rub that wing. Get him started. Let's go. Oh. Nope, nothing. Come on. Get up. Yeah. Roll it over. Come on. Roll it over. Come on. Weighs 20 pounds all of a sudden. Get up. Get up. Wake up, man. Them stretch them boogies. Oh, there's the police. Black and white.
All right, y'all, here we are about basically a week later from my last video. If you see that, it'll probably drop today. A little bit different of conditions. You know, I'm not as cold today. It's starting off in the low 50s, which is nice. And power. Here, you want to take the front, actually, so we don't drift up in there? It's on high, so dial it down. I always do that to the new people who take the trolling motor first time. Yeah. Shoots them right off the boat. So, you know, what we've got are different conditions. We've had a couple tides, no rain, kind of low wind for the week, which has kind of cleaned the water up. I'll give you a shot of the water here a little bit later, but you know, the game plan is still pretty much going to be the same. Run main points, run secondary points, and you know, throw some cranks starting off on kind of like a wooded bank here with a lot of wood on it, and just seeing if we can't pick up something before we run a little south and start chunking and winding. So, you know, that's kind of setting the stage for today. Like I said, water's cleaned up last week, really dirty water, and looking forward to today. You know, it's got some promise. We held a good temperature overnight. Majority of the overnights throughout the week was still in kind of the low 30s, but you know, last night was kind of a high temperature, so maybe that helped them move up just a little bit overnight. We'll see. But let's get out there, let's get to it, and thanks for watching. But nah, so what I had on here was the Super Duty, and I took that off and put this Hyper Mag, and it changed the complete feel of this rod in real combo, especially the rod. I did not like it, to be honest with you guys. I did not like it with the Super Duty because it was really heavy, and now compared together, I mean, paired together is phenomenal now together. Well, just caught my first fish of the day. Did not have him on camera. That's awesome. That's how it goes. Of course, that's how it goes. There are fish here, though. He didn't even pop that, man. He just had to make 3 casts at that one long log there. Kind of came out towards the end of it. Set the hook on everything now. Falling tide on wood. Oh my God, it's a pattern. It's a pattern. This is one of those mornings that you do this for, man. Beautiful. Freaking phenomenal weather.
Like, let me say we were on a boat. Like, see that cast right there?
Uh-huh.
When I was in a tournament, is that too forward? Or
Nah, I think it's perfectly fine. A lot of people will say don't go past the console there, but I mean, in all actuality, your boaters should be fishing this way. Now again, it's, you know, if I see something there and I want to throw at it too, I'm going to do it, you know. That little secondary point right there. Come on. Get him. Get him. Oh, still got him. Still got him. Still got him. That was. He fought it all the way back too. He fought. Let's just go over some proper netting technique. When you see the fish, you go at it. You go at it. You see that barge with all the piling nails and stuff? A lot of stick up right there. A lot of,
Not old cars or something?
yeah, it's got a bunch of metal bolts off of it and everything. Did you get him? Got him. He was on it, man. He was like on the
Yeah.
Here, just give it here. Grab it. Woo! Bam! That's a good size, man. Yeah, with the he was on the edge of it, and as it hit the wood and bars down there, he popped it good. Woo, chunky, man. It's got some weight to him.
Like I said, I didn't realize he was metal.
Damn. Good one right there, guys. Hopefully my GoPro's running this time. It was. You made it on camera, buddy. I got back to him right there. Got one? Oh, doubled up. All right. Just the squeaks, but he was on it though. Oh, I got a little bite too. Again. Sure. Got bigger.
A little bigger than I thought he was.
Where's number 2? If we don't catch anything out here, we'll run out again. Yeah, she looks good in the water.
Yeah.
Got him? Oh, bam.
First cast with the chatterbait.
Stop catching all my fish.
Ooh, look at this. Threw up my bird or something.
I'll put the power poles down.
First cast.
Oh, he's got a potential to have a 3-pound body on him almost.
He ain't got no belly like me, that's for sure.
He needs a little extra. I think the better ones are going to be towards the end.
Towards the end.
So that that was a good sign right there.
Yeah. I'm in between. I'm gonna throw
Well, the other sign too is definitely main lake stuff. Quit catching all my fish, man. That's a good one. Right here. Bite. That's catching a limit right there. Sure relating to the on the ground there, huh?
Look at their backs, dude. The second one. Birds, I guess?
Huh.
You can set it
Got
down,
it?
dude. I'm all tangled.
I wonder if the moving bait bite died. That's good. I'm glad this area is paying off.
Right on that point. I mean, right off that second pole in.
The second pole. Might be Buddy. Might be Buddy Gross up in there with him. Oh, hit the deck, sucker. That's a penalty.
That is.
Kind of came off the edge. It's a little cold.
It's a little cooler here, man. It's only 50-degree water.
Thanks for helping me get back on the board, buddy. Something. Be on the Bounds Guide service at your service. CJ making me want to go to a finesse setup. The first time I try to throw one other thing.
Oh, that's fish, man. You got a purple worm in his mouth?
You know what? I think he did spit up something.
Oh,
I'll net him. Don't worry about it. To me, this is a catch. Oh, he's around the thing. Get out of there. Yeah, quit playing around, man. Sheesh. Netting the biggins. Net all the biggins. Things I'd rather do than fish a Ned rig. All right. Oh, you're still kind of cold, man. It's kind of a little makeshift Ned rig that I had there. Yeah. Well, it's clear that they're on a little bit finickier of a bite out here. Like a jig's a little too powerful for them. I mean, this was literally my first. Like I've been watching CJ whack them on a whatchamacallit, shaky head, and I'm like, I can't stand it no more. I got to at least catch a fish, you know. And all. I bet let's just measure him for good's sake. Yeah, he would not make it. He's just 14. Just a 14-incher. One of those that you're happy to catch and then you're like, dadgummit, I gotta throw it back. At least this time of the year. But sitting there watching CJ catch them on finesse gear and decided, all right, I'm gonna switch over because that clearly is the bite. It clearly wasn't a like, oh, you know, let me swim a jig by it or anything like that. They want something a little different and then get first cast there with a little Ned rig, a little finesse bait, and catch a fish. So I casted it straight through in through here, and then when it got to this pole, that's when he hit it. There might be a little stack of them right there. Decent sized one, huh?
That's 3 bites.
I'm trying not to get you. Just makes it easier to net them. Nope.
There you go. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Is that Ivanka? Ivanka? Come to me. Come to me, Ivanka. Well, guys, pretty good day out here today. CJ pretty much whacked them. I pretty much watched him whack them. It was definitely a finesse bite, and we didn't really expect that. So that kind of took us by surprise. We didn't expect a finesse bite like it was. Yeah, we got a few on cranks, but other than that, that died off pretty quick in the morning. And as the tide got to low tide and then started switching over, it's basically when we ran into the most quantities of fish on the dock. I was throwing a jig, straight braid, wasn't seeming to get anything. CJ was throwing a shaky head and was popping quite a few. So, the moment I switched over to something more finesse, I caught a fish, and that just kind of seemed to be the day. They're definitely on wood. Anytime we got around wood, rocking wood, just docks. We definitely were hitting a lot of docks during this time. Water temp got up to about 52, 53, maybe even saw 54 in some spots. Again, sun's pretty high right now. We're gonna head to the house, but as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all have a good one.